How to fix Telegram slow download speed error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the slow download problem on Telegram. Well, first things first, if you're trying to download a large file on Telegram and the download speed is relatively slow, what you'll have to make sure is that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now, if you try to download anything from the mobile data, then it is not very reliable source in order to download. So you can see it will not be stable. So you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. In order to do so, you can connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Even if you do so, if you're connected to a strong network and you're having this problem, then what you can do is first tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner here. Once you do so here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option data and storage, and you can see the storage used. You want to tap on it and you want to clear the cache. Now, sometime when you have cache built up there, stored up in the app, it might cause the glitch itself. So you might want to remove it. The other thing is you want to check and make sure that you're updated to the latest version of Telegram. Now, one of the other ways, the proven way in order to speed up your download, is to get the Telegram Premium. Now, Telegram Premium offers you various options, and you'll see that it'll give you the faster download speed as well. So you might want to get it on it if it doesn't help at all. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.